Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to day 5 of our e-learning and our 4th day for math and science. I wanted to take a quick moment to just go over what you will be doing in math and science for today. So we'll start off with math. With math, you guys are going to be doing a POW, which is something that you guys are used to doing every week. And with today's POW, this is called Leo's Dog Was Framed. And you will be using area of a rectangle to solve. And because this problem of the week is connected to being able to show multiple mathematics strategies, you're being asked to show how you solved it in more than one way. So it'll take just a minute to load, but you'll see when it loads, there's a picture of Leo's dog in the middle, and there is a frame going around the outside. There are dimensions for the photo, and then there are dimensions for the frame, and so you're going to have to be creative in how you solve. And I can tell you that there are multiple ways to solve this problem and different strategies. And ladies and gentlemen, not just, there it goes. I was just going to click back. Not just doing like adding versus multiplying, but there's different approaches you could take to solving this. So I want to know what's the area of the border. So like that kind of green part on the outside versus the gray in the middle. And you need to show 2 different ways to solve. You do not need to print this off. You can solve on paper, but you should be able to show it in more than one way. So once you have solved, you will go to, let's see, it's thinking. Things are going slow tonight. You're going to go to your answer check. And remember, you need to keep going until you get 100%. So you're typing in the area, so just the numerical answer, and then choosing which label you would use for the problem. The next piece, I'm not sure why that's not linking, so I'll have to, it could be because of the way I went to preview. The last thing that you guys are going to do is do this Leo's Dog Was Framed explanation. And I went ahead and put a picture because we have not used a record or upload media yet this year. I know that like Wesley has used it several times, but I just wanted to take the moment to show you that when you go to click on the link for the explanation and you say submit, this is what it will look like. And so you're going to click record /upload media, and you can either choose to verbally explain it to me, or you can do a video and allow your camera to be shown and do a video explanation. So that is going to be your math work for tomorrow. And again, remember, when you are checking your answers, you need to go until you get 100%. So let's go back to the calendar and take a minute to look at your science e-learning for tomorrow. So this will be for your 4th day of science, and the 20th and 21st of March was supposed to be our ZCS due day. So last year, Mrs. Antcliffe started this entire district-wide due day to really do good in our community and to help to give back, similar in a way to the Give Back Project in that. But I included the link from last year that has a compilation of all of the things that were done to give back to our community. And I just thought how wonderful it would be if you would take maybe, anywhere between 15 and 30 minutes to do good around your home today. And I would love it if you would share a picture with me that I can share with Mrs. Antcliffe, because I know that she would absolutely love to see that the ZCS Due Day 2020 is still taking place, even though we can't do it all together with our social distancing. So with your actual E-Day assignment today, you are going to be finishing up your research for either one of the 4 energy topics or with the polluted water topic. And you guys are going to create a hashtag for your campaign. When people campaign, it is so important that you are raising awareness. And just like it says here in purple, with the age of social media, it's important for us to use hashtags to help shorten ideas and quickly raise awareness. So 2 examples here for hashtags. Hashtag ZCS Due Day 2020. Notice there's no spaces in between. Or hashtag no plastic bags, just like the Bali campaign. So the only thing that you have to turn in for this, you're going to click hashtag for campaign, and you're just going to type in your hashtag and submit it to me. Then you're going to work on writing your TED Talk for your campaign. So please include the following in your talk. You can always include more than that, but you really need to think about, like, if you're doing a TED Talk, how are you going to engage people? How are you going to help them care about this topic that you've learned about? So you need to include the name of your campaign. So coming up with something that would be creative other than just stop polluting. The topic that you're trying to convince people to care about. They need to understand what it is that's the problem. Why should people care about this topic? So pull out those heartstrings. 4 facts from your research to prove why this is important. And then you need to be sharing your hashtag. You'll see that there's a Dropbox for your campaign and speech/script. So remember, you will want to go to your OneDrive and go to your science folder and go to your Earth and Space Science folder and make sure that you are creating a new Word document and titling it your script for campaign, or script or speech for your environmental campaign, or script for TED Talk, whatever it is that you want. So that way you can locate it when you're ready to film on Tuesday. So this is where you would put in your script for your TED Talk. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have a wonderful e-learning day tomorrow, and I'm really excited to see some of the do good things that you choose to do, even if it's just around your house and for mom and for dad. Please share pictures with me. I'm very excited to see what you do to help raise awareness and to give back to our community. I hope that you have a wonderful day. I miss you so much, and I look forward to seeing all the amazing things that you create. Don't forget, reach out to me if you need any